Today on The Right Stuff, we will be unboxing the Parker Jotter Mechanical Pencil. The Jotter was originally a ballpoint pen, but now has expanded and sold over 750 million. So it's safe to say it's a classic. So comes in a nice box, it's all cardboard. Not sure if I'd go out of my way to buy this as a gift, but the pencil, it looks great. So this particular pencil was manufactured in France. Yep. So first thoughts, this looks like a classical ballpoint pen. In a corporate setting, people might even mistake it for a pen, which could be a good thing given a lot of people view mechanical pencils as childish. It's quite light. Not really a surprise given it's stainless steel. I guess I've never owned a Parker pen before, so I had a different perception in my mind. But it definitely doesn't feel cheap. The action's great. Yeah. What do you think? Do you have this pencil or another Parker product? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. To see a review of this mechanical pencil or other mechanical pencils, don't forget to subscribe to The Right Stuff to keep up to date with our videos. Thank you for watching, and keep writing.